Right. Everyone see complex numbers. Already four videos is completed. Fifth video, that is the cube root of unity. Fifth video. So this is the fifth part I am sending. Cube root of unity. Okay, na? Right. See everyone. Cube root of unity. Cube root of unity. So what is the cube root of unity means? First one. So here cube root of unity should be, let it be as a x. So cube root of unity should be represented as a cube root of unity. This is, let it be as a x variable. Cube root of unity should be represented as a x variable. Okay, na? So cubing on both sides, this can be written as a x is equal to 1 power of 1 by 3. So 1 power of 1 by 3 means the 1 is dividing as a 3 parts. Therefore, cubing on both sides, cubing on both sides, cubing on both sides. So by the cubing on both sides, x cube is equal to 1 power of 1 by 3 whole cube. Its value is 1. Okay, now its value is 1. Now, 1 bring on the right hand side, it will become as a cubic equation. It will become as a cubic equation. Already we know that a cube minus b cube formula is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A square plus ab plus b square. Already we know this formula. Basing this formula I am writing. So this is 1 cube. Can you write? So x minus 1 into a square means x square, ab means x into 1, b square means 1 square is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Next, already we know that a into b is equal to 0 means either a equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. Already we know this condition. Basing this condition, I should write x is equal to 1, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. X square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Is it clear, everyone? So now this is the quadratic equation. I will find the roots. I will find the roots of the quadratic. So x is equal to 1 is the one real root. A real root, 1 is a real root. So I am going to find the quadratic equation roots by the formula at here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. By the comparison, a is the multi-component of x square, b is the component of x, c is a constant, c is a constant. Therefore, x is equal to minus b minus 1 plus or minus b plus or minus root over b square is the 1 square minus 4, a value is the 1, c value is the 1 by 2a. By 2a. Okay, na? Right now I will simplify here. X is equal to 1. Here x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root over minus 3 by 2. Okay, na? X is equal to 1 is the one root. X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root over 3i square by 2. 3i square by 2. X is equal to 1 is the one real root. X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. I root 3 by 2. I root 3 by 2. Now x is equal to 1 is the one root, one real root. Another value c is, another value c is. So the, plus one value minus one value. First one value I am getting as a omega minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Its square is a omega square will become as a second one. Omega square is equal to minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. First one square compulsory will become as a minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. If you want me, check. So omega square you can do a square plus b square I square 3. Okay, na? Minus 2ab 2I root 3 by 4. Okay, na? Right, minus I square is a minus 3. 1 minus 3 is a minus 2. Minus 2I root 3 by 2. Take 2 is common and cancel. Take 2 and cancel. Minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Therefore, first one square is the second root. Therefore, therefore, one is the plus value means another one is the omega square value we can take. Therefore, cube root of unity, cube root of unity, cube root of unity values are, what are the values? Is the one root is the one, another is the omega, another one is the omega, its square is the second one. Therefore, 1 omega square are the cube root of unity. So next point is, what is the properties of the cube root of unity? So what is the properties about the cube root of unity? I am going to discuss. So everyone observe. Now the point is clear, everyone. So properties. I will write properties for this one. Properties. I will observe properties. Everyone observe the properties. What are the properties of the cube root of unity is? So now, cube root of unity is omega cube value is 1. If you want me, check. If you want me, check. Compulsory omega cube value is 1 only. See. So if you want me, proof is see. Every property is, I will write proof. Omega into omega square. What is the omega value? Is the minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. And the second one is minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Right, multiply these two. Omega into omega square is a omega cube is equal to omega into omega square is a omega cube. Right, see, omega cube multiply minus 1 into minus 1 is the plus 1. Minus 1 into this minus is the plus I root 3. Next, I root 3 into minus 1 is the minus I root 3. Minus I root 3 minus I square root 3 into root 3 is the 3 by 2 into 2 is the 4. These two are cancelled. Okay, na? Omega cube is equal to 1 plus 3 by 4. 4 cancel. Its value is equal to 1. Compulsory omega cube value is 1. One point is completed. Property number 2. Everyone see property number 2. What is the property number 2 is? Reciprocals. Omega and omega squares are the reciprocal. See, omega and omega square is equal to 1. Omega is equal to 1 by omega square. Or omega square is equal to 1 by omega. So omega is equal to 1 by omega square. Omega square is equal to 1 by omega. 1 by omega places we can write omega square. 1 by omega square place we can write as a omega. Okay, na? Both are reciprocal to each other. Omega and omega square are reciprocal to each other. Reciprocal to each other. Reciprocal to each other. One more point is completed. Next, third property. What is the third property? Is I am going to the third property. Everyone observe property number 3. Property number 3. 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Property number 3 is. So I will prove this one. Everyone see the proof of this one. 1 omega value is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Omega square value is minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Take LCM. So everyone take, this is the value of 1 plus omega square. Okay, na? Proof of this one. Everyone observe proof of this one. Now we can see 1 plus omega square is equal to LCM is 2. 2 into 1 is the 2 minus 1 plus I root 3 minus 1 minus I root 3. I root 3 cancel. Minus 1 plus 2 cancel. Therefore 1 plus omega square is 0 in the value. Can I clear everyone? 1 plus omega square value is 0. This is the third property. 3 properties are completed. Right. Fourth property is, everyone see, fourth property is, right. What is the fourth property is? Cube root of any real number. So cube root of any real number in the complex number, convert into the complex number mean. So 8 cube root means cube root of 8 mean in actually in the real numbers means simply we can write 2. But we cannot write 2 here in complex number. How can you write mean? So this is 8 to the power of 1 by 3. 2, 8 into 1, first write down 8 into 1 to the power of 1 by 3. Least factor is the 1 should be write down in the complex numbers. So this is 8 to the power of 1 by 3 into 1 to the power of 1 by 3. 8 to the power of 1 by 3 is the 2 cube whole cube into 1 to the power of 1 by 3, the 3 roots, 1 omega square. Therefore, 2 into 1, 2 omega and 2 omega squares are the roots of the. So any real number represented in the complex number is in this form only. Therefore, what is the point is? A cube root of any real number should be represented in the complex number as a to the power of 1 by 3, a to the power of 1 by 3 omega, a to the power of 1 by 3 omega square. This is the one more point. Fourth point is completed. Fifth point. Everyone see the fifth point. What is the fifth point is? What is the meaning of cube root unity sign? Cube root of unity means the cube root of unity's unit circle can be divided as a 3 equal parts. So this is the cube root of unity means, write down cube root of unity, cube root of unity, cube root of unity, divide the unit circle. Unit circle means radius is the 1 unit. unit circle in three equal parts. In three equal parts. In three equal parts. Three equal parts. Similarly, fourth root of unity. Fourth root of unity. Divide the unit circle. Divide the unit circle. Divide the unit circle in four equal parts. Four equal parts. Similarly, so here is the fourth root of unity. Similarly, nth root of unity, nth root of unity, divide the unit circle, divide the unit circle in n equal parts, n equal parts. This is the point number 5. Point number 5. Okay, I will discuss point number 5 is everyone see. I am going to discuss the point number 5. Right. Everyone observe point number 5 is here one unit circle I will take. That unit circle should be divided into three equal parts. Three equal parts. Means this is the unit circle I am going to divide as a three equal parts. How it is divided? This is the center. This radius is the one unit. This is the angle. One more angle. Total is the three parts. This angle is 360 by 3. 360 by 3 means 120 degrees. Therefore, this is the 120 degrees. Radian is 2 pi by 3. From here to this is angle is the 240 degrees. Difference is the 120 degrees, 240 degrees. Therefore, its radian is 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3. So one is the 0 degrees, one is the 120 degrees, one is the 0 degrees. So one is making as a 0 degrees and omega making as a 120 degrees, omega square making as a 240 degrees. Total is the how many? Three equal parts. This is the one part, this is the two part, this is the three part. Total is the three equal parts. It will be divided. Three equal parts, each angle is. So this is the one is the 0 degrees and this is the 120 degrees. This is the 240 degrees. Total is the 240 degrees. Is it clear, everyone? So now, how can you write? One should be written as, one is on the x-axis of the positive side. Therefore, 0 degrees plus I sine of 0 degrees. By the polar form, one should be written as cube root of unity. One should be written as. So cos of it is on the x-axis, angle is 0 degrees. Polar form, I will write I sine 0 degrees. Next, omega making the angle of 120 degrees. Polar form is the 2 pi by 3 plus I sine of 2 pi by 3. Omega square is making the angle of 240 degrees. Cos of 4 pi by 3 plus I sine of 4 pi by 3 are these cube root of unity. So representations. Next, fourth root of unity is here. Fourth